I'm excited to be here, birds. I am so excited, in fact, that I wrote some material just for tonight. I wrote it down. I put it. Oh, sorry, that's my Zootopia tickets. Hold on. I swear I wrote it. I wrote it. I found it. I once sold my soul to the devil, but joke's on him, I'm a ginger. Alright, I gotta come clean. I actually didn't write anything for tonight. This is a drawing of a penis. I lied to you. I'm sorry. Art is a lie. What do you know? Wake up, America. That'll be word something one day. Yeah, so, yeah. It was a self-portrait, so yeah. Yeah. So, you guys ever go on Tumblr? What am I talking about? This birds and your fucking FSU. You guys all have a Tumblr. So, yeah, I went on Tumblr and I saw something really inspiring the other day. It was very great. It said to increase the positivity in our lives, we should substitute words like "I'm sorry" for "thank you," which is like, wow, what a good idea. The example they gave was like, instead of saying like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I'm late," say like, "Thank you for waiting on me." And I was like, what a good idea. Also difficult to implement. But it's okay because I thought of like how best we can do this. So I thought of some like, you get that letter in the mail that's like, we are very grateful that you did not make it into FSU. Your stupid ass will not be walking our halls. Thank God for that. Thank you for having a shitty GPA. Thank you for winding up in the hospital, you reckless piece of shit. You got me out of work. I got to go and visit you and eat shitty cafeteria food. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for having me at this funeral. I know this is not the most appropriate place to do stand-up comedy, but I didn't write a eulogy. I drew a picture of a dick. Uh, but the reality is like life needs negativity. Maybe that's the point. Maybe that's what I'm getting at here. So like, I like to mix things up though. I'm kind of committed to this saying thank you instead of sorry. So I just start saying sorry instead of thank you. I apologize to everybody that holds the door open for me. They are very confused. And I get gifts for like my birthday, and I'm like, I am so sorry that you wasted your fucking time buying me this shitty gift that I am probably gonna throw away. I'm not even gonna take it back. It is a chore. You performed the chore getting me this gift. I am not. You didn't just pass the chore off to me. I'm sorry. But it doesn't always work out. Because I was divorced recently. Woo! Yeah. I really gotta utilize these great tactful strategies you guys are hearing about tonight. But it wasn't like that big of a deal. Like, we got married when I was super young. She was super young. We were different people. You grow up, you grow apart. You realize that like living together isn't quite what you thought it would be, right? I'm lazy. I don't do any fucking chores, and she is just like always just on my ass, like arguing, just coming at me all the time. Like, why? Why are you always so mad? Why when I come home are you not happy to see me? And she's like, "'Cause you cheated on me, you fucking asshole." And I was like, "Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah, you got me. Alright, that's fair. Thank you for putting me in my place. I'm very grateful that you found out about that. I don't know how to handle this." But I went on Facebook, which is where I get all of my political opinions from. And my favorite thing about Facebook is it's like the one social media that's a lot like Shameless. Have you ever seen that show? Yeah. And it's fucking great though, because you just sit there. It's free. You don't have to pay for this shit. You just watch people arguing all day about how this guy is like, you fucking just you can't keep my kid from me. I'm gonna be there in this kid's life. I don't care what happened between us. I'm gonna be such a good dad, even though I moved a state away. As soon as you started like hijacking my Facebook, okay, well, I'm gonna be in this kid's life. They make up, and I witnessed this a week before the child was born. Thank God, or I'm sorry, God, whatever. And he makes it back just in time to be there. And there's like this big celebration. It's so cute. They're taking pictures together. like, okay, very noble of you. What about your other 2 kids, you fucking dick? What about them? What about their wife? Okay, whatever. But here's the best part. They went through all that, and then he was there, and he manned up, and maybe he was going to take care of this kid. I don't know, probably not. But he was there to give birth, and the child was black. Oh, yeah, because they're both white. I probably should have told you that first. But, yeah, no, oh man, not that there's anything, I don't have a problem, it's just like, holy shit, you look like a fucking idiot. Alright, I appreciate all of you guys showing up, and I'm very sorry I had to put you through this. Good night.